In this video, we will show you how easy it is to make a cryptocurrency deposit on the Seed platform.
Our staking solutions are accessible from the USDT cryptocurrency, which is why we will use this stablecoin in this video. Note that the procedure is the same for all other cryptocurrencies.
As a prerequisite, you must hold USDT on a centralized or decentralized exchange. To deposit your USDT, go to the Wallet tab using the menu on the left. The list of cryptocurrencies then appears. This tab includes two types of wallets divided into two sub-tabs: trading wallets and funding wallets.
To deposit cryptocurrency from an external wallet, we will always go through trading wallets. Using the search bar, type USDT. It then appears in the list. Click on Create Wallet and then on the View button. You are now in your cryptocurrency wallet. Several actions are then possible.
A deposit action, intended to supply your portfolio from another exchange holding the same cryptocurrency. Other videos explaining the opening of a cryptocurrency account on recommended exchanges will be available on this subject. A withdraw action to make your cryptocurrency withdrawals to another wallet of your choice. A transfer action to send your cryptocurrencies to the finance wallet of your Seed account.
Let's go back to the deposit function, which is of particular interest to us in this video. Click on the button to open a new dialog box. Here you can access all the networks compatible with the platform to deposit your USDT.
We recommend the TRC20 Tron network for lower sending fees, usually $1 USDT per deposit. But you can also choose another network like ERC20 for example.
So click on the TRC20 button. Here you will find all the information you need to send your USDT, namely your deposit address that you will need to enter from your wallet to deposit your USDT, and a QR code which can also be used to directly scan the correct address and the correct network without risk of error.
From your exchange, fill in by copying and pasting, or scan the deposit address in your Seed wallet. Here we take as an example a user wallet with USDT from the centralized exchange Binance. It is generally the same operation for the other centralized exchanges present in your country.
Send cryptocurrency of the amount you have decided to transfer to your Seed wallet by choosing the Withdraw function from your exchange holding your USDT. Select the USDT cryptocurrency from your exchange. Then, paste the deposit address previously copied from the Seed wallet.
Select the corresponding network, namely the Tron network, TR20, in this example. Be careful in case of bad choice of network, you expose yourself to the loss of your funds. Be careful during this step.
Indicate the amount you wish to transfer and deposit on the Seed platform. Your exchange will then tell you the amount sent, fees deducted, in this example, $1 USDT fee for the TRC20 network.
Click on Withdrawal and validate the transaction with the security measures deployed from your exchange account. The withdrawal request is generally placed in a queue. The transaction can take 5 to 10 minutes before being validated by the network. An email is also usually sent to notify you that the withdrawal has been validated.
Once the transaction has changed to completed or validated status, click on it. You will then find important information, the transaction code, hash, or also written, TXID, which is the unique identification code of your transaction registered on the blockchain. This code may also be present in your confirmation email.
Copy this code, if possible with the copy function, located to the right of this code. Depending on the exchange used, you may need to retrieve this hash transaction code by another means. In the event that your code is not displayed in the description of the transaction carried out, you can go to a network explorer in which you carried out the transaction.
To illustrate with our example, our transaction took place with the Tron network. You can then verify your transaction and thus recover the hash code by going to the site dedicated to the blockchain which is displayed on the screen.
Copy then paste in the search bar the address for receiving the transaction, here your deposit address for your wallet Seed, since in this case you deposit your USDT on this address. The search result shows your address on the blockchain. Click to view related details.
On this page, the list of transactions appears at the bottom of the window. Choose the corresponding line at the top of the list, and then click on the eye on the left, then on See Details.
On this screen, make a copy using the button located to the right of the line corresponding to the hash transaction code. Be aware that the process is identical if you carry out transactions on other networks, ER20, etc. All you have to do is go to the site associated with the network and perform the same manipulation. The links are in the description of the video.
Paste this TXID or hash code in the deposit dialog of your Seed wallet in the appropriate field, then click on Deposit to validate the transaction. A dialog box appears stating that the identification of the transaction is being analyzed from Seed. It usually takes a few minutes. Once the transaction has been validated by Seed, another window appears stating that your deposit is now complete.
An email from Seed is sent to you to inform you that your deposit is confirmed. Your USDT funds are now in your trading Seed wallet and are ready to use on the platform. That's it, you're ready to move on to the next video where we'll talk about our staking solution.